A member of the Ortega political clan and the boyfriend of actress Jasmine Curtis Smith became a trending topic on social media. This video of Jeff Ortega became viral for introducing former Senator Bongbong Marcos as the Vice President of the country.
Former Senator and Vice President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos. Sir?
Ortega is the Department of Tourism's Region 1 Director. Netizens are now calling for his resignation. DOT has issued this statement, reminding its officials to remain professional. Ortega's family is a political clan in the province of La Union. He is the brother of La Union Governor Francisco Pacoy Ortega III.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.